Welcome everybody. This is a review on the new Nike SuperRep Cycle Indoor Cycling Shoe. I'm so excited for these. I've been waiting so long for Nike to come out with the pair, and they finally did. So they came out about a few months ago, and I just got them a few days ago. But I wanted to give them a spin just to see how they were, just so I could give my honest opinion about these. And right now, they come in black and white, but I hope Nike comes out with a lot more colorways and a few things to improve on, which I'll let you know in the video. Alright, again, this video is not sponsored by Nike, and everything in this video that I say is based off my opinion and my own experience. So let's hop right into it. This is the Nike SuperRep Indoor Cycling Shoe, which retails for $120 on the Nike.com website, and it comes in two colorways. It comes in this black and orange colorway and the white and black colorway. On the website, it does say that shoes runs a little bit small, and so I went up a half a size, which was just perfect for me. If I went up a little bit more, if I went up a full size, I think it would be too big, and if I went true size, I think it would be too small. And they don't run narrow, I notice. Even when I wear thicker socks, they fit pretty good. They fit pretty snug, and my toes aren't squished or anything. In the box, it does come with these Delta clips and SPD clip, because these shoes are compatible with both types of clips. So right here, these are the Delta backings for the clips. And I already have the SPD clips installed, so the backing is already inside the shoe. Here's a close-up of the shoe. I'll give it a good look around it. We've got SuperRep right there on the first Velcro strap. This shoe does have two Velcro straps. This upper strap is made of mesh right here with some vents going on between those holes. The upper part of the shoe is fully mesh here, as you can see, with the orange and black. Some rubber around the toeing. This shoe has quite a bit of textures on it. As you rotate towards the back, you get some rubber lining here, some mesh striping with the swoosh, some hard plastic on the edges here. Even right here, they have some words of encouragement for you. Cycle, sweat, and repeat. As you can see right there. As I go around the back of the shoe, you got a Nike swoosh on the back, that pull strap right there. Got a silver swoosh on the outside part of the shoe. Even that's made of two different textures. It's part of the mesh, and it's part of the back painted right there. The one thing that I am worried about is that the bottom is made of material right here with the seam right down the middle, that I'm afraid that if you're trying to cycle and you're trying to clip in your shoe but you miss the pedal, that pedal may scratch the bottom of that fabric here. Even this part right here, the plastic, as you can see, I do have a few scratches already in it, just from trying to strap into the pedal. Got the SPD clip already installed on the shoe. I usually push them all the way forward as much as I can on the shoe, just to hold that, make sure that it's on the bottom of the balls of my feet. Got some rubber linings right there for anti-slipping. And as you look inside, got some nice graphics on the inside of the sole here. The nice lining. So here's the shoe in motion. As you can see, it did have that mesh on top, which allows airflow. And I have noticed that my feet stay cooler with that mesh on top. The bottom of the shoe is quite thin, and the shoe is quite light compared to my old pair. I used to have a pair of Pearl Azumis, and these feel a lot lighter. But I have noticed that I feel like my older pair, the sole was a little bit more stiff, which decreased flexibility in my foot as I was pedaling. My foot does feel quite secure with the shoes on. The straps do its job well. No movement within the shoe at all. This is what the shoe looks like without the inner lining, which you would have to remove to install the clip. Right inside, as you can see, that silver foam padding right there, which sits on the back of the backing of the clip. As you can see here, the tongue, it only goes about halfway, so you do have to stick your hand quite in the shoe to remove the backing. It would be nice if they did open up all the way so it's easier to remove and install the clip. Right here, these two holes right there are for the Delta clips. Right now I have the SPD clip installed. So right here, that silver part is the foam that's inside the shoe. So what I did was I just took the screwdriver for these screws, poked it through the hole just to remove the foam, take that metal backing, put it inside the shoe, screw these screws in, adjust accordingly as much as you need to, put the foam back in, and put the liner back inside. It's quite easy to install the clips, and if you do need help, Nike website does have instructions for it on the website. But if you have done any installation on any other indoor cycling shoes, it's pretty much the same. Right there, as you can see, it's a metal inner lining right there, which they say on the website that that's for rejuvenating energy back into your foot as you cycle. So once you got everything installed, put the foam back in, put the inner lining back inside, and you're good to go. So overall, I do enjoy the new Nike SuperRep cycle shoes, but there still is room for improvement, and I hope Nike works at it. I hope they come out with new colorways, some bright colorways, some funky colors that help you stand out in your cycling classes. They do seem to be high in demand. They have been sold out for quite a while now. So if you're looking to get these shoes or any other indoor cycling shoes and you're looking for some workout classes that you don't have to pay a monthly fee for, then check out the rest of my channel. I post cycle workout videos, I post other workout videos on a weekly basis. So take a quick look around. Until next time, stay fit, stay flexed, and I hope to see you on a ride.